Hey everyone! In this video I'll show you how to use the graph view in Obsidian. Let's dive in. First, open Obsidian and click the graph icon on the left panel. Then, head to the right side and open the settings. Under display, you can adjust options like text fade, node thickness and link size. Next, go to Forces to tweak Center Force, Repel Force, Link Force and Link Distance. And that's it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.